So hello everyone, do you want to generate Gemini videos but not from Gemini, from Google Sheets? Then you're on the correct video because I will show you how you can connect your Google Sheets with Gemini in order to convert your text into videos. If you don't believe me, let me show you how. I'm going to enter my idea and the style of the video in the spreadsheet in front of you, and you will see automatically in 15 to 20 seconds, the video will be generated and added back in the same spreadsheet. So now let me show you. So you can see right over here, this is my prompt. Create a cinematic journey from outer space towards Earth. Start among stars and galaxies, so slowly approach Earth, enter the atmosphere, pass through clouds and finish above a beautiful city during sunrise. So you can see this is the prompt, and the style of the video should be a photorealistic cinematic. So this is the kind of video that I want for now. So I've entered it in my Google Sheets. Now you will see within few seconds, there is no one in the spreadsheet currently. Automatically a generated video URL is going to be added in this space, and the video that will be generated is going to be what you have actually requested for. So now without wasting, I'm going to show you. You can see in front of you only the link is updated. There is no one in the spreadsheet. This is happening automatically. If I'll open the link, a video is installed in my computer, and if I'm going to open this link video, you will see it will be the same kind of video. You can see exactly what I asked for, exactly the same prompt that I've written, and the video is created and added in the spreadsheet again. So this is how I have connected my Google Sheets with Gemini. So now if you want to learn how you can do the exact same thing that I have done, the exact same connection that I've created, if you want to learn about this setup, then stay tuned till the end of this video because I will show you how you can create this amazing automation. So now if you want to create a setup like that, you have to start using the most amazing automation tool. I use Pabbly Connect as my automation tool. Now if you want to access the same tool on a new tab, search for pabbly.com/connect. You will come to their landing page. Now if you're logging in for the first time, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the 100 free tasks, you can create the setup with me right away. Test out from your end that how it's working. And then if you want to get access to more features of Pabbly Connect, you can purchase their yearly or one-time deal. If you want to purchase that, use my code from the left side of the screen and you will get instant and amazing discounts on top of the existing ones. I am already a user, so I've logged into my Pabbly Connect account and I am using this template. Now, if you want to use this workflow template as well, check out the workflow link added in the description section below. Now, my trigger is Google Sheets new or updated spreadsheet row. I want that as soon as the data of a new idea for the video is going to be added in this Google Sheets, the spreadsheet should be connected to Pabbly Connect. The data should be forwarded towards the trigger right here. So that is why we are going to connect our Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect. For that, copy the URL, go to extensions, add-ons, get add-ons option. You will come to this window, on which on the search apps bar, you need to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and install this application. After installing, go back, refresh the spreadsheet, then you will see the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks, from which go to this initial setup option. Then you will come to the dialog box of initial setup, which is going to ask for the webhook URL and the trigger column. For the webhook URL field, you need to paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided you. So I'll do that. And for the trigger column, enter the last data column where you're entering your data. So I am entering my data from my end in this column B. So my trigger column is column B. Then I'm going to click on this submit button and it says setup configured successfully. Go back. Go to extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks and turn on this send on event. It's mandatory step to follow that. And the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is completed. Recapture the response because now we'll check Google Sheets is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not. For that, I'm going to enter another idea and then let's see that idea is captured in this trigger step or not. Okay, so let me enter the idea right here. So this is the prompt. Create a short animated adventure about a young explorer sailing across a magical ocean. During the journey, the explorer discovers a giant glowing whale beneath the water. The whale guides the boat through a dangerous storm and eventually leads the explorer to a mysterious hidden island filled with ancient treasures. So this is the prompt, and the style for this specific video should be epic fantasy 3D animation. So as now I've entered the idea, if I'll go back, you will see automatically after adding the data, within few seconds the response is going to be captured. It's an epic fantasy 3D animation, and this is the same story of the video. So as the response is captured, Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now using the idea and the style, let's ask Gemini to generate the video for us through Google AI Studio Gemini text to video generation. Click on this connect option, go to add new connection. Now you need to provide the API key. For that, go towards this hyperlink directly. Then you will come to the API key section, the playground section of your Gemini account. Go to this get API key section, generate the new key from here. As the token will be generated, copy it, paste it down in the field and save the connection. Likewise, I've already created a connection, so I'll select the existing connection from before. Now after that, we have to enter the input, that is going to be the prompt. For the prompt, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a larger prompt and then I will enter my idea in that prompt. So now for this particular input, I'll write over here as, so this is my prompt, create a high quality video using the two inputs. Now I have to enter my video idea right here. For the data of this field, I will map the data. To start the mapping process, add a slash, previous step is going to appear. And this is the idea for which I want to video to be generated. So I'll select the data from the previous response. This data is now mapped, and as now this data is mapped, it's dynamic. Now whenever a new response will be captured of an idea in the previous response, this data will be automatically updated. In the similar manner, I will map the data of the style, and this is my entire prompt next. Now if you want this entire prompt that I'm using in this video, you need to comment down below and I will share you the prompt instantly. Write the word prompt in the comment section. Click on the save and send test request button next, and within 15 to 20 seconds the video is going to be generated and you will receive a video URI. So I'm going to show you the URI that I've received within few seconds. Let this process be completed. I'll show you the response. Okay, and you can see right over here I have received this response. Status is completed. I have received all the details with the URI. That is what is required. Copy this URI and open it on a new tab. I've pasted it right now because in the important note section it says copy the URI from the response, paste it down in the browser address, add your Gemini key to get the access. To have the access, first of all copy the parameter from here, paste it down, and the API key that I've used to create the connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect, enter that API key to the end of this URI, because then only you can access the video that is generated. So I'm going to enter the API key that I've used. So this is the API key. I'm going to press the enter button, and as soon as I will do that, a video is downloaded in my computer and it's the same video that I've asked for. Let's see. You can see it was the exact same video that I've asked for. I have received this video now. Now what I want, as I've received this URI, let's now add this URI in the spreadsheet so that anyone can get the access of the video that they want. For that, I'm going to set up Google Sheets, update cell value. Click on this connect option, add new connection, sign in with Google. Select the account with the help of which you have created your spreadsheet from here. And then it is asking for the access of the account, for which click on this allow button, as this is a safe process. After the connection is created for the spreadsheet, I'll select AI video creation sheet and the sheet in the name of sheet 1. So I'll select the spreadsheet and the sheet. For the range, enter the column name. I want to update the column C. You can see I've entered C column. And for the row index, I will map the data of the row index I've received in this step. You can see it says column name plus row index. For the value, I will map the data of the URI that I've received in the Gemini step. And then I'm going to simply paste the parameter that I have with my key so that anyone can get the access of the video URI from the spreadsheet itself. After that, click on the save and send test request button. I have received this response, which is a positive response. And in my spreadsheet, you will see the URL is updated. And it's the same video that we have generated right now with the help of Gemini. So as now this video is added in Google Sheets automatically the connection is created. Now, whenever you will add in the idea in the spreadsheet for the video, you will receive the URL of the video on the spreadsheet itself. Now we have connected our Google Sheets with Gemini for video creation. If you have any questions or doubts related to the setup, comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. If you want the prompt that I am using, comment the word prompt in the comment section and I will share you the prompt instantly. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.